Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Time. Today from the 8th standard we are going to discuss the 3.2 exercise that from the chapter linear equations in one variable. In the previous videos we have discussed we have completed the 3.1 exercise. Today first problem from this exercise is if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8 and what is the number? So before letting the number x, so you have to see what is the question. So what is the number? So what is the number means you have to take this number as x here. So what is the relation of that number? So from that number, if you subtract 1 by 2 from that number, if you take a number x, then we have to subtract 1 by 2 from that number. That will be x minus 1 by 2. Then multiply the result by 1 by 2. We have to multiply by 1 by 2. Then it will be equal to 1 by 8. So what is the number? So how shall we solve? First we have to let the number. That is, let a number be x. So which number you have to keep x? You have to read the question, and what is the question end point that we have to keep as a x. Let a number be x. Then next is subtract 1 by 2 from that number. So what is the number? X. So you have to subtract 1 by 2 from this number. That is, next step is subtracting 1 by 2 from that number. It will be x minus 1 by 2. The next step is you have to then multiply the result. So what is the result? This result by 1 by 2. So multiplying by 1 by 2. Multiplying the result by 1 by 2. So this will be x minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So what will we get when we multiply 1 by 2? You get 1 by 8. So for this you will get 1 by 8. So this is the final question. See now, so you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and you multiply 1 by 2, you will get 1 by 8. Now the given equation will be 1 by 2 into x minus 1 by 2. You may write like this also, otherwise like this also, equal to 1 by 8. Next, you simplify the bracket here. That is 1 by 2. Take LCM. This will be 1. 1 to LCM. 2. Next 1 into 2. 2 into 1. That is 2 into x. 2x minus 1 equal to 1 by 8. Next is multiply the numerators. Multiply the denominator. 1 into 2x minus 1. It will be 2x minus 1. And 2 into 2. 4 equal to 1 by 8. Next step is 2x minus 1. So you take this cross multiply, means 4 you take to the numerator for the RHS. That is 4 by 8. Now you simplify 4 ones are 4 twos are. That is 2x minus 1 equal to 1 by 2. Again you cross multiply here. That is 2 into 2x minus 1 equal to 1. That is 4x. 2 into 2x, 4x. 2 into minus 1, 2 equal to 1. That is 4x equal to 1. Transfer this minus 2 to the RHS, you will get plus 3. That is, plus 2. That is 4x equal to 3. X equal to 3 by 4. So what is the value of x? That number is 3 by 4. This is the answer for the first question. And second question is from the second exercise. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter more than the twice its breadth. What are the length and the breadth of the pool? So the question meaning is there is a swimming pool. The shape of the swimming pool is rectangular in shape. So this is the shape of the swimming pool. This is the rectangle in shape. Rectangle means opposite sides are equal and one length is more and breadth is shorter. So how its perimeter means what? The sum of all the four sides. 2 length and 2 breadth is equal to 154 meter. So this is the first part of the question. Next part is its length is 2 meter more than the twice its breadth. What is the question? Its length. So what is length? This length is how much more? It is 2 meter more than its breadth. So how much breadth? It's more 2 meter, twice the more than the breadth and plus 2. So we will write the equation. So what are the length and breadth of the pool? So which is less here? Breadth or length? According to the question, length is more because it is 2 meter more than its breadth, means breadth is lesser. So you assume let be breadth is the x. So let which is shorter in measurement, lesser measurement, you have to keep that as assume as a x. Here b is lesser value. So let the breadth of the pool be x meter. Then length. So what will be the length? According to question, it's a 2 meter more. So that is plus 2 meter more than the twice its breadth. Twice means x is breadth of the pool. Twice the breadth means 2x. So the length of the pool is 2x plus 2. So this is 2x plus 2. This is x meter. I hope you understood the x how it is and 2x plus 2. 2 more than twice its breadth. What is breadth? Breadth is x meter. Now perimeter. So what is the formula for the perimeter of the rectangle? Perimeter of rectangle. Sum of all the four sides. That is 2 into L plus B. Now what is L here? You have to substitute. What is the perimeter of the rectangle given? It is given already. That is 154. Next 2 into. Length is how much? Length is 2x plus 2. And breadth is x. Now simplify. That is 154 equal to 2 into 2x plus x. That is 3x plus 2. Next 154 equal to 2 into 3, 6x plus 2 plus 2, 4. Or otherwise you interchange RHS, that is 6x plus 4 equal to 154. 6x equal to, why you write 6x? 6x because variable x is in the LHS. Now transfer this plus 4 to the RHS. It will be minus 4. Plus 4 will become minus 4. That is 6x equal to 154 minus 4. It will be 150. So x equal to 150 divided by 6. Because 6x is 6 into x. So it is in the LHS. When it comes to the RHS, it will become divided by. So next step is simplify. 3 2s are 3 5s are 15, 0. Next 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 5 is there, 1 remaining, 2 5s are 10. That is x equal to 25 meter. So what is x? X is the breadth. So breadth equal to 25 meter. So what is the length? According to breadth here, 2x plus 2. Length equal to 2x plus 2. So substitute x here. X equal to 25. That is x into, 25 into 2 plus 2. 25 into 2 is 50 plus 2, that is 52 meter. So the value of breadth is 25 and length is 52 meter. So this is the second question. And third question from this exercise is, it is related to a triangle. So in triangles, how many types are there? Equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. Here isosceles triangle is given. So the base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle is 4 integer 2 by 15 centimeter. What is the length of the either of the remaining equal sides? So first we will draw the equilateral triangle ABC. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. Here AB is equal to BC. And it is given the base of an isosceles triangle. What is the base? This is base, that is 4 by 3 centimeter. So this is the data given. So what is triangle ABC? It is isosceles triangle. Base BC. It is 4 by 3 centimeter. Then equal sides. In the isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. That is AB equal to BC. You have to, so then what you have to let x here? What is the length of the either of the remaining sides? That is, you have to find AB equal to BC. You don't know this. So you take this AB and BC as x equal to x. Next is the base, then what is again given is perimeter. So what is the perimeter of the triangle? Perimeter of triangle, that is sum of all the three sides, that is AB equal to AB plus BC plus AC. So AB is how much? X. BC is base, it is 4 by 3 and AC is x. Perimeter, how much it is given? 4 integer 2 by 15, that we will write 4 integer 2 by 15. So now convert this into the fraction. It is in the mixed fraction. 15 fours are 60, 60 plus 2, 62 by 50. In the RHS, x plus x is 2x plus 4 by 3. Next is, so where is the variable here? It is in the RHS. So just you interchange it, then it will be easy to solve. So this write two terms in the LHS, that is 2x plus 4 by 3 equal to 62 by 15. Both are same. Now here you have to find x. So you write x 2x here. Now 62 by 15. Transfer this 4 by 3 to the RHS, that is 4 by 3. Next 2x equal to. So LCM of 15 and 3 is 15. 15 into 1, 3 5s are 15. 62 minus 4 5s are 20. That is 2x equal to 62 minus 20, you will get 42 divided by 15. Now you divide 3 5s are 15, 4 is there, 3 1s are 1 remaining, 3 4s are 12. Now next what is remaining? That is 2x equal to 14 by 5. 14 by 5. Now x equal to 14 by 5. So what is the coefficient of x? 2. Where to write here? Where to transfer? 2x is 2 into x. So when it comes to RHS, from LHS to RHS, this is multiplication, means when it comes to the RHS, it will be divided. That it will be get in the, you have to write in the denominator. That is 2. Now 2 1s are 2 7s are. X equal to 7 by 5. So now write this in the form of mixed fraction. That is 7 by 5. 5 ones are 5. 2. So 1 integer 2 by 5 centimeter. So the length of the one of the sides. They have asked what is the length of the either of the remaining sides. So when this is 4 by 3, what you get? One integer 2 by 5 centimeter. So this is also one integer 2 by 5 centimeter. So this is the answer. So if you are, please subscribe the channel. In the next video, we'll solve them some more questions. Thank you.